Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing power and backups. This prevents mid-update bricking. Plug the AC adapter or ensure battery is above 50% and use an uninterrupted source. Next, connect via wired Ethernet because it's more stable. Confirm the POS can reach the gateway and update server. Once done, export the configuration and daily sales data to a USB or cloud. Make sure you record the current software version number. These steps let you recover quickly if the update fails and explain why stability matters. You now fetch the official update package from the vendor portal or your management console and verify its checksum to ensure integrity. Then, load the file to the POS via the vendor update tool, USB drive, or remote management system and start the installation. Follow on-screen prompts precisely. During installation, monitor progress indicators closely. Do not power off or disconnect network. If an error appears, note the exact code and timestamp so you can communicate it to support. This helps diagnose whether the issue is network. You finish by rebooting the POS to activate updates. Make sure all services, printers, and card readers reconnect and operate. After restart, verify the software version and run 1-2 test transactions to confirm payment flow and printing. Inspect system logs for warnings or errors to catch subtle issues. If the update fails, restore the backup immediately, retry the installation with the verified package, and contact vendor support. Provide logs, error codes, and timestamps so they can quickly identify whether it's a corrupted image, driver conflict, or hardware fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.